Avoid these 9 cars to prevent buyer's remorse. Ever bought a shiny new toy only to regret it days later? Yeah, we've all been there. But when that toy costs tens of thousands of dollars, that sting, it's real. Remember that glitzy car you saw at the showroom, which seemed like a dream but turned into a monthly mechanic visit nightmare? Well, some cars just seem too good to be true. And guess what? They often are. But how can you avoid falling for the automotive equivalent of a glittering mirage? Buckle up, because we're about to expose the cars most frequently ditched by their owners in the first year. Hello, car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. If there's one thing we love more than a good set of wheels, it's ensuring our viewers drive off with the best ones. Because trust us, buyer's remorse isn't limited to those impromptu online shopping sprees at 2 a.m. In today's high-speed episode, we'll zip through the world of cars that might seem cheap, fun, and reliable at first glance. But under the hood, they're often hiding some very costly secrets, from luxury brands that'll have you trading in your car faster than you can say repair bill, to sedans that promise the world and deliver, well, not much. These are the cars that unfortunately don't live up to their glossy brochure promises. Ready to ensure your next car doesn't land you in the Hall of Regrets? Let's get into gear and discover the 9 cars you might want to think twice about. Mercedes Class, a symphony of style and surprise. Ah, the Mercedes Class, like a symphony in metal and leather, its exterior boasts craftsmanship, while its interiors are meticulously designed to caress the senses. However, despite its luxurious appearance, the Mercedes Class has been known to have reliability issues and expensive maintenance costs. Additionally, some owners have reported electrical problems and frequent visits to the dealership for repairs. While we tip our hats to the Mercedes legacy with its blend of elegance and prestige, those repair bills play the wrong note. The anticipation of roomy interiors is met with a slight letdown, almost like anticipating a high note and receiving a low one. And for the adventurous driver, it doesn't quite deliver the thrill of the BMW 3 Series. All these nuances mean 12% of owners relegate this beauty to the past within the first year itself. BMW 3 Series. Elegance meets eccentricity, glorious and gleaming. The BMW 3 Series is a canvas painted in luxury. Every curve and contour screams sophistication. From interiors reminiscent of a modern art masterpiece to a steering experience akin to poetry in motion, it truly is a piece de resistance. The BMW 3 Series effortlessly combines elegance with eccentricity, making it a standout in the luxury car market. Its sleek design and attention to detail create a visually stunning masterpiece on wheels. The driving experience is equally impressive, with precise handling and a powerful engine that exhilarates even the most adventurous drivers. But luxury, like fine wine, comes with its own price tag. Couple those maintenance costs with an entertainment system more complicated than quantum physics, and the allure starts to wane. When you throw in the somewhat confined trunk space, it's no wonder that 11.8% decide to change their ride narrative within a year. Land Rover Disco, the Wild Rover. For the bold and the brave, the Land Rover Disco is like an open challenge, rugged yet refined. It promises adventures in terrains less traveled with those extra seats, ensuring you don't journey alone. However, every adventurer needs space for his gear, and that's where the Disco plays a sly trick with its boot space. And those maintenance bills, they might make you consider if you're funding an expedition. With a thirst for fuel more ravenous than a desert traveler, it's clear why 11.8% decide on a different adventure companion in the first year. British SUV, Evoque, where modern meets moody. Dressed to impress, the Evoque is like the suave gentleman at a gala. Modern, sleek, and tech-forward, it often becomes the conversation starter. Its commitment to the environment, with eco-friendly materials, speaks volumes. Yet, beneath the shiny veneer lies a soul shared with the Ford Edge. Add to that a drive that's sometimes unpredictable, and the rosy picture starts to get some gray shades. Considering these quirks, 11% of owners think of switching dance partners not long after the first waltz. Alright, esteemed auto aficionados, quick pit stop. If you had to swap your morning coffee for a day to take any of these luxury rides for a spin, which one would you pick? Ponder, pick, and pop your choice in the comments while you refuel with the next segment. Let's see which car is leading the caffeine sacrifice leaderboard. BMW Mini, nostalgia with a notion. Retro yet regal, the BMW Mini is like a classic novel reimagined for the modern reader. With styling that plays on its storied past and interiors that blend luxury with quirk, it's a ride for the eclectic soul. But, like all great stories, it has its plot twists. The cost narrative doesn't quite align with its stature. Add to that the occasional game of peekaboo courtesy of those rear doors, and 10.7% of its readers, ARR drivers, decide to pick a new story within a year. BMW X1. Mighty Might Dynamic and Dashing, the BMW X1 is the underdog that packs a punch. But even heroes have their Achilles heel. For all its charm and charisma, there are moments when it doesn't quite feel worthy of the luxury crown. While the BMW X1 impresses with its dynamic performance and stylish design, some may find that it falls short in terms of luxury and refinement. Despite its occasional shortcomings, the X1 still manages to captivate drivers with its powerful presence and impressive capabilities. The ambient noise in the cabin can sometimes drown the symphony, and the ownership cost, like a steep mountain, can be challenging to scale. Given this roller coaster, 10.4% opt for a more predictable ride within the first year. BMW X3, the midsize maestro with some missteps. Rich in essence and experience, the X3 is the sage of the mid-sized SUV world. Yet wisdom comes with its own set of woes. As the price tag escalates with every added feature, one starts to ponder value. Moreover, the steering can sometimes act like a rebellious teenager, and the ride, let's just say it occasionally forgets its roots. All these quirks mean 9% of loyalists reevaluate their devotion in the first year. Jaguar XD Sith, prowess and pitfalls, grace, grit, and grandeur. The Jaguar XF is a ride straight out of a regal dream, but dreams, at times, are interspersed with moments of reality. The feline grace sometimes stumbles with reliability issues, and the infotainment, rather than purring smoothly, can hiss with glitches. The ride, rather than being a graceful prowl, can sometimes feel jarring. These foibles mean 8.8% seek a smoother safari elsewhere in year one. However, for the majority of owners, the Jaguar XF's allure is undeniable. Its sleek design and powerful performance continue to captivate drivers, making it a popular choice in the luxury sedan market. Additionally, Jaguar's commitment to improving reliability and addressing these issues has resulted in a loyal customer base that appreciates the brand's dedication to constant improvement. And there we cruise to the end of this luxury automotive journey. If today's ride revved up your engine, imagine what's idling in the car computer exchange garage for next time. So, if you don't want to be stuck in the rear view while others speed ahead with the latest auto intel, hit that subscribe button. Let Car Computer Exchange be your co-pilot in this exhilarating world of wheels and wonders. Buckle up, subscribe, and let's keep this journey turbocharged.